Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add translator bot to Discord. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord. Then you simply need to search in Google interactionbot.com. Then you need to click on this first website. Then you need to click on add to Discord. Wait for a few seconds here. And then you simply need to select the server. So I'm going to select my server. Then you simply need to click on continue. Click on authorize. And here you need to confirm that you are not a robot. So let me confirm that I am human that recording the video. So okay, then you need to go back and open your server, and then you need to configure this. So here you need to configure, and here is your, you can see that the bot is added, and you simply need to translate text. So you simply need to do is to add slash, click on translate, and then you need to add the message. Here you can see. So this is the process how you can add translator bot to Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.